you aren't lazy, you're tired, mentally, emotionally, and constantly tired. You wake up with a list of things to do, but somehow the day slips away. And at night you tell yourself, tomorrow I will finally get it together. But tomorrow exactly feels like today. It's not because you don't care, it's just because that you have spent years of fighting with your own brain. Scrolling, switching, overthinking, and every little distraction has rewired your focus. You don't realize it, but actually your brain has learned that this chaos is comfort. And every time you escape that discomfort with your phone, your mind says that, goody, we escaped the hard things again. But deep down, you already know that it's costing you something. Your time, your self-trust, your potential. So today, we aren't just talking about how to be productive. We're also talking about how to take back your power from your habits, your distractions, and your old identity that caused that. So in this video, we're gonna talk about the trap we all fall into, the mindset shift, you are who you repeatedly choose to be, the science of procrastination, an action system, how to be productive, and final words that could really help you. So stay with me till the end of the video. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alex, and today we're gonna talk about how to stay productive and beat the procrastination. The trap we all fall into. I know this cycle because I've been there. You wake up with best intentions, you make coffee, you open up your laptop and say let's go, and then one notification, one message, one video, and suddenly you're deep into the feed, wondering where did the last 2 hours go? Do you know? Wrecking your brain to just think of a productive thing that you've done this time so you could just get rid of those guilt that you're feeling now. And you know what? Maybe you even feel disgusted by yourself and what you did and thinking, why can't I focus like the other people? And this isn't weakness, it's wiring. Your brain is built to avoid the discomfort. Thousands of years ago, that discomfort meant danger. Now the discomfort is go to the gym, studying, getting that report done. Things that actually do not give you instant pleasure. But your phone is an instant dopamine. Every scroll, every click, every like, every share, a chemical hit that your brain will start to prefer. And the truth is that procrastination isn't lack of discipline, it's actually your brain trying to protect you from that discomfort. If you keep fighting it with the willpower alone, you will lose every time. So instead of fighting it, we're gonna learn how to rewire it. Mindset shift. Who are you repeatedly choosing to be? Here's what changes everything. Productivity isn't something you do, it's something that you become. When people say, I can stay consistent, what they really mean is that I don't see myself as someone who does hard things. That's the bottom line. But consistency isn't built on motivation, it's built on identity. Start small, but start as that person. Don't say, I want to be disciplined. Instead say, I'm the type of person who shows up even if I don't feel like it. Because every action is a vote for the person who you believe you are. So when you skip tasks, you're actually teaching your brain that I don't follow through. And when you do hard things, even for 5 minutes, you're teaching your brain that I can trust myself. And that trust is the foundation of real growth. It's not about doing more. It's about keeping your promise to yourself one day at a time. If this part really resonated with you and you would like to know more about it, I also made a video on how to rebuild self-trust that you can check it out right there. Let me know what you think about this one. The science of procrastination. So what's really happening when you procrastinate? It's not laziness, it's your brain trying to protect you from this stress. And here's the science. Your brain releases dopamine when you experience pleasure or reward. Quick rewards like notifications, social medias, even snacks flood your brain with dopamine instantly. Hard work, on the other hand, gives delayed dopamine, so the reward comes later. So your brain will say that why wait for a reward when I can have it now? Then it loops, but you can break it by micro rewards. Do something small and celebrate it. Start a task for 5 minutes, check it off, and journal your win. This mini success will give your brain a dopamine hit, but this time for the right reason. Like for example, when I say that have a habit tracker, like I have talked about this in my previous videos. Whenever you are coloring those areas that you have done something, procrastinating, it's actually giving yourself that dopamine and that reward that, yay, I've done that. In your mind, you're literally like that. The mini success gives you the right dopamine, but this time for the right reason. And slowly your brain will crave productivity instead of distraction. You have to set your environment for your growth. You can't win a battle surrounded by lots of triggers. Put your phone in another room, or if you really have to work with your phone, then put it on do not disturb mode so you wouldn't just get bombarded by all the notifications. Block the sites or emails that just waste your time. Make it hard for yourself to fail and easy to start. Every time you remove the friction from the right habit, you make the success your default choice. The action system, how to stay productive for real. Here's a step-by-step system that changed everything. Step 1, identify your high impact task. Ask yourself that if I have to do only one thing, what would make the biggest difference here? There you go, you have your focus. And everything else has to wait for it or revolve around that one till you get it done. Step 2, start with even 5 minutes. Forget the perfection, just show up. Your momentum will beat motivation. Your brain needs proof that you can start. Step 3, stack your habits. Don't rebuild your day from scratch. Attach a new habit to an existing one. For example, read after breakfast or read on your commute time. Journal after having your coffee or while having your coffee. Step 4, make your progress visible for yourself. Track it, write it, tick it off. Let yourself see that you have done that task. Every visual reminder of your progress reinforces the identity that I'm consistent. Step 5, reflect weekly. Ask yourself what worked this week, what didn't work, what will I do differently, how can I improve my week by 1%? Because awareness builds control and control builds momentum. Step 6, say no. Every yes to distraction is no to self-growth. Remember that. You can't build your dream life while saying yes to every impulse. Remember that saying yes to others, meaning you're saying no to yourself. And at the end of the day, who do you care more, yourself or them? Or all the impulse and distractions. At the end of the day, your happiness, you living your dream life should matter the most. If this video have helped you so far, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel because I will be posting more videos like that. And also here's my Instagram down here because I will be active daily there so I could help you in your growth journey and we can grow together. So here's a bonus part for you that you have stick around so far. 3 silent killers of productivity. Let me warn you of 3 silent killers that could destroy your productivity every single time. 1, the perfection trap. You wait to start because you don't feel ready. And here's a newsflash. You will never feel ready. Progress will create that clarity that you're seeking so much, not the other way around. 2, the fear of missing out. You keep checking what everyone else is doing, but while you're watching them build, you're losing time to build your own. Silence the noises. Your life deserves all the attention, not the other way around. 3, motivation myth. You think you need to feel ready before you act, but that action will create the readiness because motivation will follow the movement. Once you have seen yourself following through so much, the motivation will come with you because you're like, oh, I've come this far, why would I want to ruin that? No, and you will keep continuing. So listen, you aren't behind, you're just at the point where you're aware of your patterns, distractions, and your power to change them. Productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters intentionally. It's not about motivation, it's about self-trust, systems, and one brave decision at a time. So take one action right now, just one, because that's how you win. One decision, one action, one day, and one version better than yesterday. And if you like, you can also comment it down below. What's the one action that you're taking today? Let me know, and I hope that you be able to stay productive. Thank you for watching this video so much. I hope this video has helped you to be more productive. Let me know what did you think about the video down in the comments. I'm really curious to know, and until the next video, take care and bye bye.